Book of Heaven, Volume 2, March 19th, 1899. The devil can speak about virtue, but he cannot infuse it in the soul. This morning, while Jesus made himself seen, I was afraid it might not be really Jesus, but the devil wanting to deceive me. After I made the usual protests, Jesus told me,
"Daughter, do not fear, for I am not the devil. And besides, if he speaks about virtue, it is a colored virtue, not true virtue. Nor does he have the virtue of infusing it in the soul, but only of speaking about it. And if sometimes he shows he wants to make the soul practice a little bit of good, she is not persevering, and in the very act in which the soul does that little bit of good, she is listless and agitated. I alone have the power to infuse myself in the heart, to make one practice virtues and suffer with courage and tranquility and with perseverance. And besides, when has the devil ever gone in search of virtues? His hunt is for vices. Therefore do not fear and be tranquil."
Thank you for being a part of our community here at Divine Will app. If you enjoy listening to Jesus' lessons on how to live in the divine will, please give this video a thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more souls yearning to live in the kingdom of the divine will. We'd love to hear your thoughts and reflections, so drop a comment below. Your insights not only enrich our community, but also inspire others on their spiritual journey. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By joining us, you're helping to spread the news of the kingdom of the divine will, so that together we can bring his kingdom to reign on earth as it is in heaven. In the divine will, always.